Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are so good and well. So, welcome to our YouTube channel Fit for Coding. Today we will learn about table creation with the help of query. Because today we want to discuss about this error. Below error while trying to create table from design interface. Design interface means whenever we are clicking on here table and after that new and table, then a design is appearing, but sometimes due to some settings the error is shown. This backend version is not supported to design database diagrams or tables. So we will learn here how to create a table from query instead of design. For example, this is a design here we can create, but sometimes it is not supported. So here is also a technique of changing or checking the settings in tools. So you can go there options, and after that there are so many options: environment, actually you have to click on designers, and then tables and design database designs. Here we can check your settings. After that we can easily design our database tables. Here is also option prevent saving changes that require table recreation. But sometimes whenever we are connecting to another database of which is present in another server, then it is occurring some issue. Here I am connected with my own local server, that's why it is easily working here. But if I click on and connect it to another database with some IP address, then at that time it is not working properly. So first of all we will learn from query, creating a table. Okay, so the query is for creation of table is, first of all you need to write table create table and then table name. Let's see, our table name is, let's suppose it is employee, let's say it is item master. Okay, it is the table name, item master is a table name here. Now bracket open and close, and in this we have to mention our columns. ID is our main column which is of type int, and after that item name which is of varchar, let's suppose varchar 100 we are taking here, and item number, item code. Okay, let's say it is varchar 10. So this is the main syntax here of creating a table with the help of query. So first of all if we want to insert rows in a item master, we have to define a unique row. So for unique row I mean to say that if we want to apply a primary key, then we write here identity primary key. Identity, why I have mentioned identity? Identity basically it will auto insert. Identity makes it to auto insert id while adding records in this table. Okay, identity makes it to auto insert id while adding records in this table. Let's suppose if and it is also a primary key, we cannot insert same identity or in a item master. So while writing a insert query, there is no need to mention id because we have selected this id as a auto insert. Okay, I will give you one example, and here in bracket put here 1 comma 1. 1, this one means the value is started from 1 and it is auto increment by 1. So we are writing here 1 comma 1. Now I am executing this query. Command completed successfully. Let's check either it is created a table here or not. Select star from item master. Wow, the table is created here. Now I am inserting here some records with the help of insert statement. Insert into item master. As I told you earlier that there is no need to put id column because identity we have marked auto insert. So I am mentioning only item name and item code. Values we are writing to pass the values in it. Let's say item name is my item name, code is 100. Let's suppose code is ABC. So if I insert it, one row is affected. Let's check once again. Select star from item master. Lock. ID is auto incremented here, auto updated here 1, and my item name ABC. Let's check the statement. Right, insert into item master. Let's I am adding here ID. Okay, we will see what will happen here, and say we are mentioning here 2. Now my item name 2. Okay, and it is DEF. Insert. Look, as I told you earlier, we have already mentioned this auto insert ID, but there is no need to put again ID and the value here. Or let's say we are changing here 4, then again it will showing error, cannot insert explicitly value, because this is the explicit value for identity column in table item master when identity insert is set to off. Okay, so there is no need to write 4 and ID because we have already mentioned here in this table this identity 1 comma 1. Okay, so again I am inserting one record here after removing that ID column, my item name 2. Now it is working fine here. Let's check once again. It is my item name 2 DEF. Hope you guys understand this. Now we are creating a new table to understand the foreign key concept, because there is a need to add a foreign key and also if we want to add some extra columns in this particular table, let's suppose it is item master, but in our insert query statement we have mentioned only 3 columns here, but we want fourth one, fifth one also. So in that case we will write alter table name, add let's say manufacture by varchar 50, alter table name, alter manufacture by varchar 50. It is the final query, alter table name, add manufacture by. Now I'm executing, it is executed successfully. Okay, now let's check once again, select star from item master. Now it is showing here manufacture by column. Hope you guys understand. Now if you want to update the manufacture by in this particular column, then we need to write update statement here, update item master set manufacture by equals to m1, where do not forget to write where clause, because if we not mention where clause, then this manufacture by column is updated in every row of this item master. It is a very big mistake, so please always write update statement. First you have to write the comment lines should be here, okay, because maybe by mistakenly you can execute, then you will be in a problem. So where id equals to 1, here we want to update the records in only first row. Now from select this query from this side, from right side to left side, because here there is a much chance to consider where statement. And now by shift and left row I have selected here, and again executing, one row is affected. Okay, so let's check once again, select star from item master. Now it is affected in row 1 only. Now we will creating a new table. Let's copy this table item master, and here let's suppose sale by, there is one table sale by. In this we have mentioned id